people often come to me not knowing where to start. They have a business, they don't know, haven't clearly identified who their ideal client is, they don't quite understand how to connect with them online through digital marketing, and that's where my free marketing assessment can really come into play. Basically, we get on a call, I learn about your business, its services, we talk about your clients, and we have a really clear conversation around how people find you and the problems that you solve. From there, I'll have a look at your website. I'll have a look at your Google ad campaigns or your Facebook campaigns. I'll give you an audit and an assessment of what's been happening in the background and give you the next step on your digital marketing journey. What is the low-hanging fruit? As in, what's going to give you the quickest result to get you to the desired outcome? That's what this free marketing assessment is all about. It's going to analyze everything that you've done and give you clear and actionable steps on what to do next. So if you're interested in doing getting your free marketing assessment, I only do a few a month. So just book them in and we'll have a chat and we'll get started.